Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to show you how to make money scanning cash register receipts on your phone. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do it. Here we are. Take your cash register receipt, download an app called Receipt Pal. Okay? You'll scan the receipt, it'll upload it to them, to their site. You get points for each one you upload. Then you can cash those points in for gift cards. I have already received a $100 Amazon card through Receipt Pal. So go check them out. We'll show you how to download the app, how to use it, and let's get with it. And here is the app in the Play Store called Receipt Pal Scanner and Rewards. Go check it out. All right, here we go. Receipt Pal right there. Open it up. You'll need to create an account first time you get into it. And you download this in the App Store. I'll show you a picture of how you get it there. It's loading, all right. See there? What you want to do is down here on the bottom, hit Account. Manage Accounts. There's my information. You don't need to see all that. It'll need your email address, your name, that kind of stuff. And it'll get you entered, okay? Now, over here, tutorial fact. There's a tutorial that tells you how to do everything, okay? I'm going to show you how. Messages. You can see I got 15 points because it scanned my Amazon account for any receipts and gives me points in there. Now, there's one that says it's missing purchase date. Got to have the name of the company, the date, and the total price for it to be a valid receipt, okay? Rewards. You can get sweepstakes, which they have for there. There's Amazon gift card and a retail gift card. You get $5. Level 2 is $10 or $25, either one. Level 3. Now, I've collected that $100 gift card already. I don't have enough points for it right now, but I do have for the $50 card. Click and go over here like that and hit redeem. And what's going to happen is you're going to have to log into your Amazon account and it will open it up and get everything going for you so it can put the gift card into your gift card account on Amazon. That way it's automatically there. You can go check it. It'll take it a couple of days to get there probably. But I'm not going to do that right now. So you're going to need that and receipts. See, I've got 18,925 points right now. It'll accept receipts dated 3/30 or after. It only gives you about a week in there that you can use those receipts. After that, it's it's invalid because it's outdated. You're on a roll. Scan e-receipts. Now, if I click on that, it's going to come over here to my Amazon. It's looking for any receipts I've purchased on Amazon with my phone. And see, it's got 14%. And it'll take any of those points if I haven't scanned receipts already from there. And it'll put them, give me the points into my account. 28%. Takes a little while to scan. It's looking for all of it. Now, see, I've already logged into Amazon, so it knows me. There it is. See, I got 15 points just for checking them like that. Okay? Connect your email accounts. Oh, this is retailer accounts, sorry. If you want to go to Walmart, for instance, you do Walmart online, sign in to your Walmart account. It'll scan your account for receipts for anything you've purchased online and give you points for those receipts. Emails. See, I've already got an email up there, so it does that for me. Retailers, Amazon, and email. There's my email. All right, so we got the email and the other accounts right there. Get rewards for your receipts in each of your connected email and retail accounts. Check now. Just checking my email and all that, and it says you're up to date. New receipts will appear in your receipt log in 72 hours. All right. So let's go back over here now. There you are. You're ready to scan some receipts. You'll click on this. I don't have a receipt with me right now, but I'll get you one and show you how to do it. And go down here and scan your receipt. I'll show you. Now, and it's still loading up here, so give it just a second. Go back over here to messages. I'll show you something. Right here it says invalid receipt. March 26, 25. It looks like this receipt is missing the purchase date. If you got that, still have that receipt, you can go back and look at it and resubmit it with the where it can get the date, and it'll give you a valid receipt then and give you points for it. Okay? Right there. You've earned 100 bonus points. Thanks for submitting your e-receipts. So it got my e-receipts like on Amazon and my email and all that. Okay. Counts. There's a tutorial. There's a fact. Frequently asked questions. Give it a second or two. Technical, about receipt, pal, points, rewards, and all that. Now, when you go to rewards, see, I've already received a gift card here at Amazon. So what's going to happen, first time you hit it, it's going to come up with an arrow with a circle around it saying it's locked up, because you have to log in, give it a day or two to go check your account and make sure it's valid. And then you can come back and click on it and accept the rewards, the Amazon gift card that way. So give it time. It doesn't, everything's not instant, but you can see it's there. I've got 18,925 points, which means I've already eligible for a $50 gift card, but I'm working on the $32,000 to get the $100 again. So click on receipts and you're ready to scan your receipts. Okay, we're ready to scan a receipt now. So what we want to do is these little check marks to see I've already got 3 done. So that one's open. Click the camera right there. Put your receipt in there. Be sure you've got the lined up. There's your date, total, and the name of the store right there. Click the camera and it scans it. Done. Submit. And it'll send it up there for you. There you go. Got that one up there. We're ready to scan another one here. We got another one right here. Okay. Once again, total, date, name of the store, hit the camera, scans it, done, submit. There it is. Your receipts are up there. It'll take it a couple of days for it to show up in your account, but it will. Okay, you see how to scan your receipts now in Receipt Pal. Go start earning points and getting your gift cards, okay? Now also go check out the one we did on one called Fetch. It's also a receipt scanner, and I've earned a couple of $50 gift cards off of it, so go check it out, okay? Thanks for watching. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.